5 biggest mistakes which is stopping entrepreneurs to have their first six-figure converting offer. That's what exactly we're going to be talking about in this video. And I'm also going to be sharing what is the immediate way to make any offer more attractive. What are the mistakes people are making? First biggest mistake I have seen, which is stopping them to hit their first six-figure converting offer, making complex and vague offers. You'll be laughing at some of the offers. I have seen people writing this on their profile. I wish I could have shared the screenshot, but I didn't want to because of the privacy reason. Digital marketing, SEO, Facebook ads, funnel, website. How many times you have seen this as a cover picture of people? Work from home, affiliate marketing. Let's learn about affiliate marketing and how it works. Want to make consistent sales using this new and simple ABC framework? Spiritually wealthy, give maximum happiness. Transformational life coach who transform you from a state of no to yes to create a... Okay, I'm losing that whole flow. I don't know what does that mean actually. And people are using this kind of complex and vague offers. Second one, making low value offer to premium leads or prospects and making premium offers to low value leads and prospects. Biggest problem, biggest mistake people are doing, which is stopping them to hit their first six figures. When you, let's say for first case, when you're making low offer to premium leads and prospects, I have literally went into this situation. When I was a funnel designer in the beginning of my days, I remember a lady reached out to me. She said, I need a book funnel. I said, okay. And she said, how much will you charge? I said, what is your requirement? She told me, this is what I need. I said, okay. And I was charging $497 for a funnel at that time, to be honest. And I don't know what happened to me. I was like, let me double my prices. Let's see what happened. I said, it's going to be $997. In my mind, I was like, double my prices. I'm going to be charging premium $997 for a funnel. You know what is the reply I got after that? She said, Sahil, why are you charging so low? I have talked with other funnel builders. They are quoting me $5,000. I was like, what? I thought I doubled my prices. I gave you premium offer. I sold something expensive to you and you're saying other funnel builders are charging $5,000. Later on, I got to know. She said, did you search my name on Google? I searched her name and she was a celebrity. And I was like, biggest mistakes I did. Offering low value offer. I could have a teammate or something. Maybe I could have even outsourced that work because I would have gonna get paid like $3,000, $5,000 for that funnel build. She was keeping that budget for a funnel because she was a premium lead. She was a premium prospect. My mistake, I didn't do my homework right and was trying to charge her $997. Third biggest mistake, missing end result and outcome. Most biggest one. I have seen people, I remember I was looking for someone who can handle that stuff. I got a call with a couple of people and to my surprise, I was seeing that everybody was trying to give me the offer in the form of bundle. So you know what, if you take my services, I will create you this reel, I will create you this many posts, I will do this, I will reach out to you for this people, I will do collaboration with you, all that stuff. And I'm missing out. I was like, what will happen at the end? What I'm gonna be achieving after all this? To my surprise, nobody told me a clear end result when I was looking for my teammate. Nobody told me that, Sahil, we're gonna be doing this. This is a part of process, but the end result is we're gonna be taking you from 0 subscriber to this followers, and gonna be organizing everything so that your business, let's say you are doing 10K a month, your business will grow to 20K a month. Now I'm having clear outcome and I believe now you are worth where I can spend my money on. Fourth, no scarcity and urgency. This is a blunder one I've seen. And this is the mistake when people make and then they say, Sahil, nobody is buying from us. They just bought it from my competitor. I was selling this, any product, I don't want to say the name, any affiliate product. Let's say there were $1,500 product, $1,000 product, and other people were buying from, not from you, but from other people. Or maybe coaching offer if you have, and you see they jumped on a call with you, you give them offer, you tell them price point, and they're like, I'll think about it. I'll come back later to you. Let me talk to my this. Or even if you're a funnel builder, you have seen, let me talk to my partner. Let me talk to my agency. Let me talk to my wife, all that stuff. And you guys are, okay, let me know once you are ready. And then they never come back. You try to message them, follow up with them, they ghost you. Only reason is because there is no urgency or scarcity for them to take action with you today. That is the only problem. When somebody comes on a call with me, they spend an hour or more than that. We didn't jump off the call. Two situations. They want to buy it or don't want to buy it. If they want to buy it and they're saying, Sahil, let me think about it and all, I stay on the call sometimes 2 hours and all that. Think about it, bro. Like, yeah, do you want to do this? Let's see how can we make it happen. If you don't want to do this, we can hop off of the call. Last, not the least, fifth biggest mistake I've seen, not adding any risk-proof or bulletproof guarantees. That's why I talk about this risk. People are not adding that, any bulletproof guarantees. Once you add that, you make it risk reversal. In the beginning, when you are starting out, you might say, Sahil, you are experienced. You can say people that you can help them achieve, but we are starting out. Take all the risk on you then. Say that I will keep working with you. You don't need to pay me anything extra, or you can pay me once you achieve result and I will work with you for 3 months to help you achieve this thing. I made him bulletproof, risk-proof for him. For a beginner, when you're starting out something, you can take all the risk on yourself. At the end, you're going to be making money if you are putting all the time and efforts and really helping your people to achieve what they want.